Good morning everyone and welcome back to a decentralized bull channel. Today on this beautiful Saturday we're going to talk about the Bitcoin price. We're going to talk about my upcoming Bitcoin price targets. We're going to talk about the altcoins that I'm looking to accumulate during this weekend, and we are going to talk about profit taking strategies for the upcoming bull market. Now we are around 15 days away from the halving, or 14 days. I think the halving will probably happen on 4/20, the 20th of April. What a paradox date and funny date. So quite nice. It's just a more reason to believe that we are living in a simulation. No, I'm just joking, of course. Life is beautiful and we still have a lot of many opportunities to discuss, so make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss any important information. And now, without further ado, let's jump straight in the Bitcoin chart. Right now we can see here Bitcoin sitting at $67,735. We had a little bit of volatility yesterday. We pumped to like 68,653 and then we jumped below to 66,600. So the market is quite volatile, just jumping up and down, indecisive, doesn't know what to do, either to go up or down. In my opinion, this symmetrical wedge will play out most certainly. I think like it's a 90% certainty that we will break to the upside. So as you know, symmetrical triangle is usually a continuation pattern, and as we can see here, the last previous month we just had upwards trend, and this means the trend will continue if this symmetrical triangle pattern plays out, and we can see a move up to the upside. The only thing that needs to be also taken into consideration, we can see here we had 7 consecutive months on Bitcoin, green months on Bitcoin. Here you can see 7 green candles, green monthly candles on Bitcoin. This never happened before. So this showcases how bullish the market is and also how oversold the market might be, because no, actually overbought. That's what I mean, not oversold. How overbought the market would be. That's why you need to be careful around. That's the only reason why I'm not going so heavily into trades right now, because as we can see here, we have the RSI still, you know, in the oversold area, unfortunately, on the monthly. But if we go to the daily, we can see the RSI already cooled off a little bit, and we're already like midway, so almost going into the oversold area down here. So I think we will probably still go a little bit lower this weekend maybe, and start the new week with a crazy pump on Bitcoin, because the interest is still growing. We have the halving coming, we have a supply shock literally happening right now without the halving. So after the halving, this supply shock will have even a bigger impact on the price, because right now the miners are not producing as much Bitcoin as the demand is, because we have so many ETFs, we have the retail coming in, we have institutions coming in. So that's why I think the Bitcoin price will go up even more than now. And now let's take a look at Ethereum and see what will happen to Ethereum in the next upcoming weeks or days. Now this is my gaming watch list. Let's go to my trading watch list. This is the one. Here we can see Doge at 18 cents, quite nice. I just opened a new trade on Doge yesterday, it's already quite nice in the profits. Now what else do we have here? We have Ethereum, $3,327. Let's see, we already discussed the price targets for Ethereum. The support zone is at $3,200, and the next resistance or price target zone would be at $4,100. I think we will reach the $4,100 very soon, probably as soon as the halving is over. So let's see, we have ORD also starting to pump again. We have STX, and STX, you can see you can really make a lot of gains like this if you just buy the dips. You could have bought the dip here at $2.49, and now you're basically could have been sitting on 27% gains on the spot market. So you can literally make crazy amount of gains. So 27% with a 10x leverage, 270% with on a $10,000 trade, that's around $27,000 in profit, just in a very short matter of time, even less, like 20 days, just 20 days, and you can literally make this crazy amount of profits. Now we can see here Say also at a very nice price right now, 71. I also opened the trade on Say at 70 cents. We can see here Bitcoin dominance 54, didn't move at all. Arbitrum a little bit up, and everything looks like it's about to recover. So I'm just gonna accumulate more. I think Optimism, it's at a crazy nice discount right now. Like literally, guys, if you buy now Optimism $2.90 and it goes back to the previous local top, you can make 70% on spot, guys. 70% on spot. That's a 700% trade with a 10x leverage. So crazy gains to be made here. That's why you should follow my channel. Also, MPC pumped a lot, as you remember. I mentioned it 3 days ago in my video, and since then it pumped like 30%. So congratulations to all of you if you have been following my channel for long, and you probably already made a lot of profit. Now it's very important that you also take some profit. So once, if you buy the dips and you see the prices skyrocket again, once you make over 100% or your position doubles, I would take out half or at least a quarter of your position out and wait for a lower discount. So that's what I'm really doing. When I see that some tokens, you know, pumped a little bit too much, I just take some profits and I put some orders 10%, 20 and 30% below the current market price. That's how I accumulate more altcoins. That's how you can compound your portfolio, and that's how you can make crazy wealth. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.